Hello everyone. I'm going to explain my Hello everyone. I'm going to explain my project, which is HRMS project, which means uh, HR management system. And the name of my project is PROH-2R. You can basically see here. And there are three modules of this PROH-2R. One is PROH-2R recruitment, that is basically for recruitment purpose, and one is for admin, who will control all the management, and one is for employee, that is PROH-2R. You can see I have opened here two windows. One is for PROH-2R admin app and one is PROH-2R. This PROH-2R for admin and this PROH-2R admin app is for PROH-2R admin. This will be accessed by admin and this will be accessed by employee. All the employee can access this app. You can see here there are many services which has been provided to all the employees, like dashboard, alerts, organization, profile, calendar, leave, attendance, timesheet, tax declaration, expense, pay slip, separation, and reports. These all modules are very deeply described in this project. You can see these all are also displayed here. If you will go in dashboard, you can see here, you can see here there you can also see here there are many tabs here, like my task, my documents. Here you will get all the documents which has been uploaded by organization and all the documents of the employees. You can download the documents from here, and you can also upload documents from here. Here you will get all the contacts of employees of your company. Like if this is for any employee, then you will get all the birthday alerts for your company, all the anniversary alerts for your company whose anniversary is to come or whose anniversary has been passed earlier. And you also get here new joinees, how many employee have been joined. You will get also their alerts. If you will come down, here is the attendance report. You will get that how many employees this is for attendance report. It means how many, which on which days you are present or absent. Is it your half day, full day, holiday? All the things will be displayed here. These are the color code of this all. Like for present it will be marked as dark green. For in and out, if you have only checked in, then it will be light green. If you are absent, then it will be red. If it is a week off, like it is a Saturday, Sunday, then it will be of this color, holiday, leave, and half day. All the things are available here. Here is a tab also for leave balance. It will show how many leave you have, how many leave categories you have. All the things will be given here. This is for upcoming holidays. This is given by admin app. Admin will provide a holiday list, that on which day it will be holiday on your organization, and here it will be listed that which day it will be holiday. Like it is given here that Independence Day on 25th. It is given here that on Independence Day 15th August 2023 it will be holiday. 3rd October Durga Puja it will be holiday, and all these holidays will be displayed here. Coming down, you will get here team leave report, that it will display that how many members of your team are on leave. This is also a employee directory. It means you can search of you can search to any employee of your company by their name, by their employee code, their designation. If I search here, you can get here that this is a employee. I have searched the employee code of this employee and its department. All the things will be given here. The most important thing, that is expense report. If you are going somewhere and you have some expenses there, then you can also apply for expense for reimbursement. It will be all calculated here. Here you can see that my investments are also given. Timesheet, one of the most important part of HRMS, that is timesheet. It is also given. Tax declaration application, These are also given here, like if you are given rent information, deduction under chapter 6a, all these are given here. If you, it will be a basic part of here. If you will go inside its module, then it will get, then you will get the more about part of this. Like if we go in organization, then you will have three types here, that company policy, organization tree, and employee directory. This is the same that I've shown earlier, that it was, you can search of any employee by their name, by their employee code, anything. This is company policy, that what has the company given their policy, their rules and regulations. This is organization tree. It is very interesting that you can see here, if this is a parent company, how many child companies of this, and how many, which who is supervisor of that, who is their, who is their team lead, who is under the team lead, all these things will be displayed in organization tree. This is employment directory, you can search also from here. This is a calendar, it will be given here that whose birthday is coming, any holiday is coming, all the things will given here. This is leave. I'm just talking about employee side. This is for my application leave. You can apply for leave here from here. For applying leave, you have to just click on apply leave. You have to choose the category of which leave you want to choose. Like if I am choosing here privilege leave, it will show that how many pending applications I have of this category. There are two categories of pending. How many leave balance we have, it will show also here. What is the starting date of the leave if I am choosing from second, and what is the end date of leave. Is there any half day? If there is any half day, you can also choose from here, and you will give the reason here, and you will apply from here. When you will apply, you can give, you can see here the your application has been listed here and it is under approval. It means it is pending or at level 1. You can also view your application from here. In the same way, you can check your leave balance from here. Leave grant, that is comp off, a kind of comp off. If you are working, and if you are working on any holiday, then you can apply for leave grant, and on that day you will be given, for that day you will get a leave, and that leave you can take any day. This is team application. This is mainly for supervisor side. This is all only this will only be visible for supervisor. If you will click here, then you will get all the pending applications under you. If you are a supervisor, then how many employees are under you. If you are a team lead, then all the applications of your team will be given here. All the pending application, all the approved application, and all the rejected application will be given here. You can all, if you are a team lead, then you can also apply from here. You can choose the application. You can also choose the, you can directly choose the employee name, their leave category, their starting days, end date, and the reason of that, and you can also apply from here. In the same way, if you are applying for any short leave, then you can also apply from here. Leave team leave grant, it is the leave grant for supervisor side. And here are some general information you can see here. Attendance, the one of the most important part of this, your attendance record will be given here. Your attendance record will shown here, on which day, what was your check-in time, what was your checkout time, what is the working hour, what is your total working hour, is there any OD, that is of on duty, status, after process, before process, all the things are made here. There is also deviation are that how many, if you are given half day, then how many times, how many hours you have not worked, so that it has been calculated as half day. It will also calculate here. It will give here your shift timing, that what is your shift timing, 9 to 6, 10 to 7, it will be given here by scheduler. You can get here of your 1 month. You can choose, you can select here. If you want to view your attendance record for previous month, then you can also choose from here. These all are for attendance purpose. Now coming towards time sheet. If you come to this time sheet, then you will also get option of here time sheets. Here is the option of time sheet. You have to click here, and there is a option of project. How many project you have been assigned? You have to choose the project first, then you have to choose the task, and then you have to fill working hour of that. How many time, how many hour you have worked. From time to time, you will, if you will choose from time and to time here, then it will automatically calculate the total hours, and you have to just place a note, that is also optional, and you have to save it. If you will save, then it will be calculated here. And if you calculate all these, then you have to click on save, and then you have to click on submit. Here it is mandatory to choose project and task, because without choosing any project and task, you cannot apply for timesheet. This is a text declaration for module. They are also for, this is also for supervisor. It is approvals. If you will come in approvals, you will get all the pending applications. Like you can see here, all the pending applications is being shown here. You can approve from here. And you can also apply your text declaration from here. You have just to choose of which text here you are applying for. You have to go and action button, and you have to fill the amount here, and you have to just save from here. It is a mandatory field, and because of I have not chosen any amount, it is showing that it is a mandatory field and you have to fill it. Attachment is mandatory, so I have to attach anything you can attach from here. Now you can see that attachment has been uploaded successfully, and then you have to save it. In the same way, you can download also your payslip. Your all monthly payslip will be given here. Separation, if you are if you are resigning the company, then you can apply for separation. Reports, this is only for the purpose of supervisor. Then they can check a total report of attendance, expense, timesheet. All these reports will be downloaded from this section. Now coming towards PROH-2R admin app, there are also some sections. All the Mainly all the sections of setting are present here. Like when I'm coming in organization, you can see here that it is organization setup. When we'll come on organization setup, you will choose all the things here. From employee, you can onboard the employee. There are multiple options here. You will just to click on add employee, and you have to fill all these mandatory fields, like first name, last name, corporate email id, personal email id, their date of birth, and you have to continue from here. Like you can see here which the fields are mandatory, and in the next page you will also have to fill the employee code of that employee. The admin can hold any employee and terminate any employee at any instant of time. The employee have also the option of onboarding on bulk, salary structure on bulk upload. There multiple things has been given here. As I was telling that there is a calendar module which will be given by admin, that which day it will be holiday. it will be given here. Like when I'm coming on milestone, you can add milestone from here. Attendance, if I come to attendance, then you have attendance setting. Since I'm processing all these on local, so it is taking some time. It will if it is it if it will be on server, then it will not take such time. For attendance setting, there are some module like general setting, attendance template. These all things, shift assignment. You have to choose for all the employee. You have to just do a general setting. These all the things you have to do one by one. It is not that you without choosing attendance shift, without giving any attendance template, you can give attendance shift. These all things you have to do one by one. In the same way, time sheet, there is also a time sheet setting. You will go on time sheet setting and you will give time sheet template to all the employees. You can also give, you can also add new templates from here. What will be the level of approvals, like level 1 or level 2? Who will approve? Like who like you can see here, who can fill the timesheet of employee, admin, employee, or team supervisor. If it is only admin, then only admin can fill the timesheet. All the things are given here. In the same way, in leave, expense, alerts, the most important thing and the most important part of this project is payroll. There is a option of run payroll. It will just calculate that how many days you have worked on the in the company, and what is your total expense, what is your total salary, what will be your total income of this month, of which month you are running the payroll. All the things are calculated very efficiently, although it takes some time, but all the calculation is done very efficiently. Here will be also some report given, like if you can see that of August month it has been completed, September month it has been completed, April, May, all from all these month it has been completed. You can download and register from here. If you want to give any LOP reversal, LOP means loss of pay reversal, then you can also apply for LOP reversal from here. This is for admin. Admin can give LOP reversal. Here is the option of taxation, reports, and separation, which is similar to the PROH side, which was in employee section, PROH-2R. So this is our project, and I hope you like this, and thank you.